Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accompany. 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 Accompany is a verb that means to go along with someone or something, often providing support, company, or musical accompaniment. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the chef recommended a red wine to accompany the steak, bringing out its rich flavors. Why accompany is used in example number 1. Accompany is used to suggest that the red wine should be served with the steak to enhance the taste and complement its rich flavors. Example number 2, parents often accompany their children to school on the first day to ensure a smooth transition. Why accompany is used in example number 2. Accompany here highlights how parents go along with their children to school to provide support and ensure a smooth start to the school year. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.